In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Lovable to GitHub. Connecting your Lovable project to GitHub lets you keep code in sync, collaborate with your team, and automate reviews and deployments. Before we start, have your Lovable project open in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the GitHub account you want to use. With your project loaded in Lovable, look to the top right corner of the interface and click Connect GitHub. This button lives in the project header and opens Lovable's GitHub integration area. If you don't see it right away, confirm you're inside the specific project you want to link. On the integration page, click Add Connection. This begins the linking process between Lovable and your GitHub account, so Lovable can discover repositories and manage branches on your behalf when you choose to push code. You're not granting write access to anything just by viewing this page. The actual permission is confirmed on GitHub in the next step. Now click Add on the connection screen. Think of this as handing the request over to GitHub so you can explicitly approve it. Your browser will redirect you to GitHub's secure authorization screen. On GitHub, review the requested access and click Authorize. Use the account that owns or can access the repositories you plan to connect. If you're part of an organization that restricts app access, you might also see a prompt to request approval from an owner. That's normal. After you authorize, GitHub will send you right back to Lovable. Once you return to Lovable, you should see the GitHub connection listed and marked as active. At this point, the link is established, and future workflows in Lovable can target your GitHub repositories without any extra setup. If something doesn't look connected, refresh the page and confirm you approved the request with the intended GitHub account. A couple of quick tips in case you run into snags. Authorization happens in the browser, so disable pop-up blockers for this site and avoid private browsing modes that clear cookies between redirects. If you manage multiple GitHub accounts, double-check which one is currently signed in before you authorize to prevent linking the wrong account. And that's it. By clicking Connect GitHub, Add Connection, Add, and then Authorize on GitHub, you've securely linked Lovable to your code on GitHub, ready for smooth collaboration and version control. If you ever need to change or remove the link later, you can revisit the same settings page to manage the connection.